can make over 5,000 naira profits on every 5 yards of fabrics you sell, especially on lace. Yes, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to start a profitable fabrics business without capital in Nigeria. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funmike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Funmike. I create content on business ideas, different money making tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, please go ahead and subscribe. Smash the subscribe button to join the team today. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to start a profitable fabrics business in Nigeria without capital. Yes, without capital. So if this interests you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Fabrics are cotton clothes that are designed brightly and authentically. Fabric business is a profitable business with many opportunities. There was a time I sold a Swiss lace on Instagram for 50,000 naira, and I saw the same Swiss voile lace on another vendor's page for 80,000 naira. The same quality, yes, the same quality. I know this person very well, so I know it's the same. And there are also different kinds of fabrics you can sell depending on what you want and also your audience. Some of the fabrics include lace, ankara, cashmere or senator materials for men, adire or kampala. The model we'll be using for this fabric business without capital is a dropshipping model. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply the art of buying and selling without having to stock up goods or having to invest your capital. You're simply marketing for the supplier, for a supplier who imports those goods in bulk. You sell for them and remove your own profit. That is how dropshipping works. You're simply the middleman between the supplier and the end user of that product. Clothing business will forever continue to sell because this is what people need on a daily basis. Some of the benefits of dropshipping are: number one, you don't require a startup capital. You can start this business from anywhere, from the comfort of your home, from your office. That means you can combine with even your 9-to-5 jobs. You do not need to rent an offline shop or store because you'll be dealing majorly online on your phone with an internet connection. It helps you cut out operational costs such as renting a space, paying employees, and so on and so forth. Right now, I'll be listing the steps and procedures involved in starting your fabrics business without capital. The first step is to pick a niche. There are different sorts and styles of fabrics available, and it is difficult to sell them all. It is best to determine the kind of fabrics you want to sell. You need to determine if you'll be selling purely luxury fabrics or a certain pattern, or you want to focus on lace, ankara, or fabrics for men such as cashmere and senator material. So you need to pick a niche you want to focus on. Even for lace, there are different kinds of lace. There are voile lace, there are dry lace, and so on and so forth. Choosing a niche not just entails choosing the kind of fabrics you want to sell, but also your target audience. That is the type of client you'll be catering for. You may want to narrow down your focus even further and brand yourself to appeal to a very particular audience. For example, you can choose to sell to end users or choose to sell purely for ashrebi purposes. You can also decide to make your own ankara orb or adire orb. So you need to choose what you want to sell and the audience, the target audience you want to sell to. The second step is to secure a supplier of the kinds of fabric you want to sell. In securing a supplier, please, you need to be very careful in securing a supplier so you don't fall into the wrong hands. You don't want to dropship for a dishonest supplier. They will tarnish your image. Yes, they will tarnish your entire image or destroy your reputation. In all my years of dropshipping, I've been very lucky to work with suppliers who are trustworthy, yes, and honest. Somewhere in this video, I'll be sharing 3 major suppliers you can dropship for. Yes, these are people I have worked with. I won't be telling you where exactly I'll be dropping those contacts because I want you to watch this video to the very end to get all the steps before venturing into the business. So yes, I'll be recommending 3 major suppliers you can work with. After securing these suppliers, introduce yourself to them and your intention. After telling them your intentions, ask them for their policies and ask to be added to their groups, to their wholesale group. This could be on Telegram or WhatsApp. The third step is pricing. This step is a big one which needs to have a good balancing. In as much as you want to be competitive, but you also need to make money, you need to be very careful with pricing. The supplier that you have chosen will determine your pricing on many levels. You also want to make sure you're selling quality fabrics. That is why I said you need to work with people who have integrity. The fourth step is choose a business name and set up your online store. This is the stage where you decide a name for your fabrics business. You also need to select the best platforms to advertise your products. You decide a name for your fabric business and create your online store. Your online store can be your Facebook business page, Instagram business page, your WhatsApp status, or GG, or any other online selling platform. Get a good graphic designer to design a catchy logo for you. Set up your online business page. Upload your logo as your profile picture and edit your profile by putting up what your brand is all about. The fifth step is your customer service. Customer service matters a lot, especially when it comes to online business. You're not only an online store, but you're also a service. People are not only purchasing a product from you alone. They are also purchasing a promise that the product will come as expected and as when due. To serve your customers better, you need to ask your suppliers details about logistics and delivery timeline. So you need to ask them how many days it takes for your customers to get their orders. Delivery timeline for a customer in Lagos will be different from delivery timeline for a customer in the north like Jos and the rest. So you need to confirm their delivery timeline and communicate with the customer before payment at all. It is also very good to check out policies of different suppliers, including return policies around goods returned for any reason such as defects and so on. The sixth step is start promoting your products. You can promote your business through Facebook or Instagram ads, and you can also promote through WhatsApp TV influencers. This is another affordable way of promoting your business to a larger audience. So with this sixth step, you can start a profitable fabrics business without capital in Nigeria. So what exactly is stopping you from starting your business? Yes, with these few steps, you can start a fabrics business with no capital in Nigeria. So now to the major point. The three suppliers I'll be recommending that are into fabrics business. The first supplier I'll be recommending is Lace Place. She has an Instagram account and she's also domiciled in Balogun Market here in Lagos. She has all kinds of fabrics you can sell. I'll also put a number right on the screen. You can send her a message on WhatsApp. Just introduce yourself and tell her that you're from Funmike or Funtomat, any of the two names, and tell her that you want to start dropshipping for her. And after that, you can also ask her for her policies around delivery, logistics, and also refund policy. This is very important. The second supplier I'll be recommending is Tiwa Fabric Hub. She's also somebody I have worked with, I have patronized, and I can vouch for her integrity. I also put her number somewhere on the screen. Chat her up. She's mostly active on Telegram. Yes, she's mostly active on Telegram. Even her group is on Telegram. So chat her up and tell her your intention of joining a dropshipping up. Tell her you're from Funmike or Funtomat. The third person I'll be sharing with you is Motu Fashion Empire. She's into different fashion accessories such as clothing, shoes, bags, and the likes, but she also sells lace. Yes, lace and Ankara. You can chat her up on WhatsApp. She's active on WhatsApp. You can chat her up to request to be added to our dropshipping platform. So these are the three suppliers who are into fabrics that I have worked with, and I can vouch for their integrity. You can start with them, and as time goes on, you can expand your business. So how much profit can you add on these fabrics? I can speak to lace because this is what I know very well. This is what I do majorly on. For lace fabrics, for every 5 yards of lace you sell, add nothing less than 5,000 naira as profit. There are times that you'll be contacted for Ashwebi supplies, and that means much profit for you. I have been into dropshipping business since 2015. So when I talk about dropshipping business, I know what I'm talking about because this is actually my base. Yes. And if you need a one-on-one training with me and mentorship, you can reach out to me on Instagram. My handle is somewhere on the screen here. You can also check the description box to book a section with me. Please note that this service is a paid service. If you need a private mentorship and training section on dropshipping, please get in touch with me. You can also send me an email at fumikeafolabomi@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to join the team today. If you're into dropshipping business, any product at all, please share your experience with us in the comment section. I love reading feedbacks and experience from people. If you have anything you want me to talk about, any business idea you want me to make research and create content on, please drop a comment for me in the comment section or reach out to me on Instagram. Till I come your way next time, catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. I love you all.